Have you ever wondered if AI software could outsmart you in a game of chess or even predict your next online purchase? In the grand scheme of the digital universe, artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making quite a splash. It's not just about robots taking over the world or self-driving cars anymore. AI has been subtly weaving itself into the fabric of our daily lives. Take a gander at your smartphone. Your virtual assistant? That's AI. The recommendations you get on your favorite online store? AI again. The route your GPS suggests to dodge traffic? You guessed it, AI. It's almost like we're living in a science fiction novel, isn't it? But let's take a step back and delve into what AI software really is. At its heart, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue machines with a semblance of human intelligence. This could mean understanding human language, recognizing patterns, or making decisions. The ultimate goal? To make our lives easier and more efficient. Now, the market is brimming with AI software, each with its own unique capabilities and quirks. But for the sake of brevity and your sanity, we're going to focus on the top 5 that are ruling the roost. These are the ones that have been making waves, pushing boundaries, and dare we say, outsmarting us at times. First up, we have IBM Watson, the brainchild of one of the oldest players in the tech game. Then there's Google AI, a testament to the search engine giant's foray into artificial intelligence. OpenAI, on the other hand, is all about accessibility and versatility. AWS AI is Amazon's contribution to the AI scene, blending innovation with practicality. And last but not least, we have Adobe Sensei, bringing creativity and AI together in a beautiful symphony. Now that your curiosity is piqued, prepare yourself to dive into the world of AI software. We promise it's an adventure you won't forget. First on our list is none other than IBM Watson, the AI that famously won Jeopardy! Now that's not an accolade you see every day, is it? But IBM Watson is not just about game shows. It's an AI powerhouse, a virtuoso of sorts in the realm of artificial intelligence. Its prowess lies in its ability to process natural language. Imagine having a conversation with your computer, and it not only understands you, but responds back intelligently. That's IBM Watson for you. It's like a digital Sherlock Holmes, minus the deerstalker hat, of course. It's capable of reading and understanding vast amounts of information, making connections, and coming up with insights that would take a human ages to figure out. It's the speed dating version of research, if you will. But every hero has its kryptonite. For IBM Watson, it's the need for a lot of data and preparation. Like a gourmet chef, it demands the finest ingredients and a well-equipped kitchen. But once everything is in place, oh boy, does it cook up a storm. IBM Watson's footprint is not confined to a single field. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, aiding businesses in making better decisions, and even helping chefs come up with new recipes. So there we have it, IBM Watson, a Jeopardy champion. But will it be the champion of our AI software face-off? Stay tuned. Scene script. Next up, we have Google AI, the brain behind the Google search engine we all love and depend on. Google AI is like the secret sauce that makes the Google universe so tantalizingly tasty. It's the engine that powers the search engine, the wizard that works the magic behind Google Translate, and the genius that makes Google Photos recognize our furry friends with uncanny accuracy. But what makes Google AI stand out? Well, it's all about the data, the vast, unfathomable, almost infinite amount of data that it processes every single day. From our searches to our locations, from our emails to our YouTube viewing habits, Google AI learns from it all, making it one of the most knowledgeable entities on the planet. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some may argue that Google AI's insatiable hunger for data raises privacy concerns. Is Big Brother watching? Maybe. But Google assures us that it's all for our benefit to make our digital lives smoother, faster, and more personalized. Strengths? It's got reach. It's got the data, the processing power, and the constant learning ability. Weaknesses? It might know a tad too much about us, and that can be a bit unnerving. But at the end of the day, Google AI is the silent, unseen helper that's always there, ready to assist, ready to learn, ready to adapt. It's like the world's smartest personal assistant, tirelessly working round the clock. Google AI making our lives easier one search at a time. But is it the best of the best? Let's find out. Our third contender is OpenAI, the AI that's making artificial intelligence accessible to all. This nonprofit AI research lab, co-founded by Elon Musk, is a heavyweight in the AI space, and for good reason. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, benefits everyone. Now that's a noble cause if there ever was one. This dedication to accessibility is reflected in its approach to AI. OpenAI offers a platform for research and collaboration, making it a playground for AI enthusiasts and experts alike. Let's talk about GPT-3, OpenAI's language prediction model. This AI can write essays, answer questions, and even make jokes. Imagine having an AI as your coworker, helping you draft emails or write reports. Sounds like a dream, right? But, as they say, with great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI's strength, its ability to generate human-like text, is also its weakness. There's a risk of misuse, like creating misleading news articles or spam. But OpenAI is aware of this and has policies in place to mitigate such risks. While OpenAI is undeniably a force to be reckoned with, it's not without its challenges. It's a bit like a superhero with a tragic backstory, powerful, but with vulnerabilities that make it human, or in this case, AI. OpenAI, democratizing AI, but does it democratize its way to the top? Hang in there. We're about to find out. Fourth on our list is AWS AI, the powerhouse behind Amazon's smart home system. Now, this isn't just any AI. This is the brainchild of Amazon, the global e-commerce giant. It's like the secret sauce that makes your Amazon experience so, well, Amazon AWS AI, or Amazon Web Services Artificial Intelligence, is an advanced machine learning platform. It's designed to provide developers with the tools they need to build intelligent applications. It offers a wide variety of features, from text to speech, image, and video analysis, to even personalized recommendations. Its strength lies in its versatility. It powers Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant, making your voice-activated smart home devices more responsive and intuitive. It's the wizard behind the curtain, the one that plays your favorite song when you ask or dims the lights when you say goodnight. But it's not just about making your home smarter. AWS AI also powers Amazon's recommendation system. Ever wondered how Amazon always seems to know what you want before you do? Well, you have AWS AI to thank for that. It analyzes your shopping patterns, your browsing history, and even your product ratings to predict what you might like. But of course, no AI is perfect. AWS AI does have its limitations. It can sometimes make mistakes, like recommending a horror movie to someone who only watches rom-coms, or suggesting a snowblower to somebody living in the tropics. AWS AI making shopping and living smarter. But does it smart its way to the top? Let's see in our final round. Last but not least, Adobe Sensei, the AI that's adding a creative touch to the digital world. Adobe Sensei is an AI and machine learning framework that enhances the digital experience like no other. It's the secret ingredient that adds that extra sparkle to Adobe's suite of products. Picture this. You're knee-deep in a creative project and you hit a roadblock. Maybe it's finding the right image or making that perfect cut in your video. Enter Adobe Sensei. It uses deep learning to understand the nuances of creativity, helping you find that perfect image or make that seamless video edit. Adobe Sensei is like your creative sidekick, always ready to lend a helping hand. But it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Adobe Sensei's main strength can also be its weakness. It is intricately woven into Adobe's products, which means if you're not an Adobe user, you might miss out on its creative prowess. Also, while it does a fantastic job in assisting with creativity, it can't replace the human touch. It can offer suggestions, but the final call is always yours. It's like having a sous chef in your kitchen. They can chop the veggies, but you're the one who decides how much spice goes into the dish. Adobe Sensei, fueling creativity. But does it create its way to the top? Time for the final verdict. After comparing these AI heavyweights, it's clear that the best AI software is entirely dependent on your specific needs. IBM Watson? It's the Sherlock Holmes of AI, solving complex problems as if they were elementary. Google AI, on the other hand, is like the James Bond of software, always on the cutting edge and ready for action. OpenAI is the Swiss Army knife, versatile and always handy to have around. AWS AI, it's the Thomas Edison, constantly innovating and lighting the way forward. And Adobe Sensei, well, it's the Picasso of AI, turning ordinary data into extraordinary creations. But remember, my friends, the best AI for you depends on your mission. Are you solving a mystery, embarking on a secret mission, surviving in the wild, inventing the future, or creating a masterpiece? So there you have it, folks. The real winner of the AI software face-off is, drumroll please, you. Because with so many fantastic options, you can't lose. Unless, of course, you're playing chess against IBM Watson. Then you're probably toast.